Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to recover your RuneScape account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your RuneScape game with your email and password option, but you are not being able to do so since you've forgotten your credential, then this video is for you. In the login area where it asks you to enter your email address, type in your email address that is associated with the account. If you don't remember your email, you can tap on Login with RuneScape username option and type in your username and click continue. After you are done, you'll be asked to enter your password. If you don't remember your password during login in and you are stuck in the login process, tap on forgot password. Complete the security check to ensure that you are a human being and not a robot. Tap the little box to verify yourself and you'll now need to enter your email or username. Go ahead and type it in and then click on recover. An email will be sent to you to your account's registered email address. Go ahead and open up the email received from Jagex and you'll be able to receive a link to reset your password. Give it a tap and follow the prompts. On the next page, enter the new password you'd like to set for the account. After setting up a password, confirm the password by retyping it again in the next field. Finally, tap on change password and there you have successfully set a new password for your account. Now, whenever you try to log into your account, you'll need to enter the new password you just reset to and you'll be able to access to your account again. That is how you can easily recover your RuneScape account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.